In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 different ways that you can make money online and from home with simple copy and paste. Now, for some reason, these videos always do well on YouTube, probably because everyone's looking for the easiest and the quickest way to make money online. Now, because these are easy, it doesn't mean that you can't make some pretty decent money with this, and I'm going to share with you 3 completely different methods. So if you don't like method number 1, then keep watching, for method 2 and 3, because they're all they're all genuinely really simple ways to make money online. And look, if you found this video useful, please give it a like. I'd really appreciate that. And if you have any comments, let me know down below. Well, let's come over here on to method number 1. Now, this platform over here is called ClickBank. Okay, so ClickBank, it's a huge affiliate network. You can find thousands of products whereby you can simply share a link and you can earn an affiliate commission. It's pretty straightforward. But if we come over here, you create an account for free and then you come up to here where it says Marketplace. Then on the left hand side, you've got all of these categories. And look, this will work in any of these, but I'm just going to go into this one here, e-business and marketing. And I'm going to filter this here via the initial conversion. So I'm going to scroll down here and I want to find this product. Where is it? It's this one here. It's called the Super Affiliate System. And the reason why we're picking this one is, you see here where it says affiliate page. I'm going to click on here and it's going to give me everything I would need to promote this product. Okay, so on this page you can find out everything you need to know as an affiliate for this product. So you can see over here, where's my mouse gone? It's here, sorry. You can see here it's $997. You can expect to earn 50% commissions. It also shares with you, conversion rates and lots more. Well, let's just scroll down the page here and look, you see here where it says free traffic method swipes. If I click on here, it goes down and look, you've got lots of options here. Look, so you've got Quora, Reddit, Craigslist, Tumblr, and lots more. So look, it says here modify the scripts and make them your own, but basically they're giving you everything you need to know. So if we just click on Quora, it takes me to these here. Scroll down here, look, we've got Flickr. So I mean, look at this one here. Flickr is a photo. What is this? Flickr is a photo sharing site. You can do affiliate marketing on there by posting affiliate links in the comment section of different images. Scroll down here, look, we've got direct message scripts. So look, this is literally copy and paste. Copy this, and then you see where it says link. This is where you'd put your affiliate link from ClickBank. Pretty simple stuff. Come down here, we've got more copy and paste. Come down here, they give you stuff for Reddit. They even give you the subreddits that you can go ahead and target. And look, there's lots more in here, but again, it is literally copy and paste. So you can go through here and look, message template. Here is what you would copy, and then where it says link, you include your affiliate link. Pretty simple stuff. And as you've seen on here, look, you can earn some decent money. And again, we've got templates for pretty much most of this. Look, message template, come down here. You'll find, look, a description template example. So again, look, it's copy and paste. You'll need to make a couple of edits, but essentially it's copy and paste. And once you copy and paste this and you include your affiliate link, people are then coming over here. They're landing on the sales page for this product here, and as you've seen, you can earn some pretty decent commissions from promoting this. How much was it? I think it was nearly $500 promoting this product here with simple copy and paste. So basically, you're an affiliate for this product. Anyone purchases this, then you earn a commission. I think you'll agree, straightforward, simple and easy. However, if you don't like that method there, let me share another one with you. So this platform over here, it's called Fiverr.com, and basically this is a platform where people sell their services, otherwise known as these things here. This is known as a gig. So people put up these gigs with the amount of money that the gig will cost, and basically if someone purchases this, then the person who created the gig, they earn money. Straightforward. So you see this one here, look, I will send low bounce organic traffic. This one over here, basically what I've done here is I've just come over to Fiverr and I've typed in the keyword traffic. Now with this method here, it's copy and paste again, but we're using something called product arbitrage. Now this website here is Fiverr. The other website that we'd need to use for this is called SEOclerk.com. Now I'm just going to type in here, let me go ahead and type in at the search bar up here, we're going to type in traffic. We're going to attempt to type in traffic, let's try that again. Type in the word traffic, And we will find lots of these listings whereby we can simply copy and paste from one website to another, and we can act as the middleman or middlewoman and earn, the difference in what somebody pays us and what we purchase a gig for. So let me just go ahead and filter this to $1. Okay. And hopefully this will load up in a second for you. Have I done the filter correctly? Filter? Yeah, there we go. So look at this here. Let's go up here. Look, 100,000 worldwide web targeted traffic boost, $1. 30,000 keyword targeted traffic from Google, $1. It's just ridiculous, isn't it? So let me just open up this one here for you as an example. Scroll further on the page here. So look, this person here, they've got a 5-star rating with 463 people who have used this service. So what will it give you here? Well, look at this here. They will basically provide you with 30,000 people from Google over to a website. And you can see here, it's $1. It's just ridiculous, isn't it? So how does it work? This method over here. Well, you come over onto Fiverr and you put up your gig like what these people are doing here. Look, I will provide real visitors through organic search. So if I click on here, look. This person here, they're offering 500 daily visits for 30 days for a total cost of £7.56. This is the basic package. We've got a standard at this price and we've got premium at this price. Now I'm in the UK, so over on Fiverr it's showing me UK pricing, but literally I think you can see the potential with this. So how does it work? Well, you come over to Fiverr, you create an account. Once you've created your account, you come over to this SEO Clicks, you filter this to $1, and you look at the services that you can buy over here for $1. So like this one here, you would copy this here, and you would include this up here on Fiverr as your title. Then you've got images here. So I mean, I wouldn't recommend that you just copy this image, but create your own image, put that over here. And how it works is once your gig sells over on Fiverr, for in this example, let's just say it was £8, somebody pays you £8, you then go ahead over to SEO Clicks, you pay this person over here $1, they provide the service to you, which you're basically then providing to your buyer over on Fiverr, and you're pocketing the difference. Straightforward, simple, and literally this example here we've looked at traffic. You can go through all of these different things on here and then go over to SEO Clicks and see how much you can basically get it for over here, and then you're literally just acting as a middleman. So again, it's just copy and paste essentially, because once someone over on Fiverr has paid you, you then outsource this on SEO Clicks. Once the person on SEO Clicks has completed the job for you, you come over to Fiverr, you provide an update to the buyer, you complete the gig, and then you get paid. Now, there is a caveat to this. Obviously, over on Fiverr, they will take some fees from you, so it wouldn't just be the difference between this and what you pay on SEO Click. The Fiverr, I can't remember what the commission is on here, to be honest with you. It differs in every category you go into, but you'd literally just need to double check that. But again, it's straightforward and it's simple. The last one I'm going to share with you is, let's just go over here really quickly, is eBay. And you can do this with eBay, Amazon, and many more. But let me come down here and I'll show you this. I actually shared this on a video, I think it was last week actually. So you see this here, this is a mud kitchen. There's one here sold. I'll just show you this so you can see. One sold on the 20th of April. Today's date is the 28th of April. So 8 days ago, somebody sold this product here for £79. Pretty cool. Now, how does it work in terms of copy and paste? Well, basically what they're doing is something called, it's a form of dropshipping, and I'll show you this now. So we're going to go over here to this website over here, and it's the same concept as what we looked at over on Fiverr a minute ago. It's literally just product arbitrage, or drop shipping essentially. Come over here, scroll down, look, you can see this one here, look, only $49.99. This is the product. Come over on eBay, it's exactly the same, selling at £79, and one sold just over a week ago. So how much could you earn with this method here? Well, basically this account over on eBay, what they're doing is, believe it or not, but come over here, I'll just show you this. If I scroll down, let me go into their visit shop, they've created a shop on eBay, and all they're doing, it's quite cheeky really, but it's pretty cool. You see all these items here, this one, this one, this one. The whole shop here is created from copy and pasting items from this website over here. Literally, this is all they're doing. So if I go back over here, let me just go into this example here, and we'll just go 6-piece bathroom set. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go back over to Studio. I'm going to paste that into here and click on search. Let's see if we can find this one here. This one, is that the same one? Well, that one's pink. That one is blue. There's your pink one. The same one. And again, look, 23 have sold for £35. And they're buying them for £19.99. It's ridiculous. So how does this method work? Well, in this example, they're coming over to this Studio website here. They're finding these items. And also, in terms of copy and paste, I'll just show you how, how ridiculous this is. You see the description box here? Let's go over to here. Details, 3-litre pedal bin, Let's go and look at this. 3-litre pedal bin, 2-way magnified mirror. Go back over here, 2-way magnified mirror. See what they're doing? They're literally copy and pasting. How much are they making with this method here? Well, when it comes to eBay, you've got to take into account eBay fees and PayPal fees. So how do you do that? Well, you can use this tool over here and you type in eBay fees calculator. Come over here, click on here, and all you do here is scroll down. Depending on your country, you'd select the country that you're in. And by the way, this works, over in America, I know this works very well with Walmart and even Amazon as well, whereby people are literally just putting up listings on eBay and they're buying from Walmart and sending it that way. But if we come down here, look, sold price. So how much are we selling it for on eBay? So which one was it? It was this one over here, wasn't it? Come up here, they're selling it for £35. So I'm going to come back over here, I'm going to type in here 35. Shipping charge was 0. How much is the item going to cost us? The item is going to cost us £19.99. £19.99. Shipping cost, so how much will this cost us to ship from this Studio website here? Well, I know over on this website here, if you place you can see down here, look, if you place an order, it's £4.99. So I'm going to come down here and click on shipping cost, £4.99. Then we've got quantity sold 1, payment processing is PayPal. Let's just come down the page here. Now look, in this example here, eBay fees are £3.50, the PayPal fee is £1.32. After you take into account of the shipping and the other bits, they're making £5.20 for every single item that they're selling just from this one item here, which is literally, they've copied the image, they've copied the title, and they've also copied the description. And then what happens is, to continue with the copy and paste theme, when somebody purchases this product from them on eBay, guess what they do? They've got the buyer's name, and they've got their address and their email. They literally copy those details from eBay. They come over to this website over here, this Studio, and they copy it over here. They order it from here, and they send it to the buyer over on eBay. Now, for the cynics of you watching this video, they'll probably say, well, how will they react when they get the package, in like this Studio branding over here? Do they get lots of negative feedback? Well, let's have a look. Has anyone commented saying, it's come from Studio, etc.? So in the last month, they've got 68 positive feedback and 2 negative. What are the negative feedbacks? No, nothing about that there. I feel like I've been ripped off for a bowl. I paid £130 of very poor quality. Doesn't say anything about, drop shipping or anything like that. Really thin material, won't be strong enough to put plants in. Again, nothing to do with the fact that they're drop shipping or acting as a middle person. So look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful, and I hope you can see the potential with this copy and paste theme. It's not hard, it's not difficult, it will just take some time and effort. So look, thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.